AI applications, like computer vision, both require and create huge amounts of data. The success of these applications relies on the quality of the data they use. However, this data reflects the inequalities in our world, or the prejudices that we hold about different groups of people. For example, an image search for the query "unprofessional hairstyles for work" returned images of mostly Black women. This type of bias can be seen in all types of web data, from search engine queries and results to sites such as Wikipedia. One reason for this is that most people looking for information on the web have preferences that correlate to their demographic characteristics. Another widespread issue relates to privacy, especially regarding sensitive data concerning users' lives, their personality, or socioeconomic status. Often, users are not aware that the information they share publicly on social media are collected and used to train algorithms for a variety of tasks. This data could be used to create algorithms to detect fake news and hate speech on social media, or even for the diagnosis of mental health disorders. We have been investigating the existence of bias in social data by considering what users across Europe see about COVID-19 through a Google image search. We asked people from 4 countries to describe how they would search for images related to the first wave of the pandemic. We found that people used diverse queries when searching, but that their interests were centered around 5 common themes: personal protection, healthcare, habits during staying at home, general queries, and the impact of COVID on society. This data hints at the impact of the pandemic on each country and how participants' demographics plays a role in how they conduct searches. To reduce social bias, people who are involved in creating and using data need to be aware of issues such as cultural and gender differences. Otherwise, the biases contained in the data can be carried into the algorithms or applications developed using that dataset. The CyCAT team, in collaboration with Science, are developing methods to uncover social bias in datasets, as well as the practices surrounding the creation and use of AI datasets. We aim to raise awareness of developers and researchers, providing them with strategies to mitigate data biases.